This is my second bowl, and I have placed Anacampseros rufescens and Gymnocalycium mihanovichii, and both have pinks. So Gymnocalycium, a variegated form, can have many forms of colors like orange, yellow, reds, pinks, and I tend to gravitate towards pink and red because I find them very attractive. And Anacampseros, let's call them sunrise plant because that's its another name, becomes pink from top when placed in bright light or direct sunlight for few hours. And if you will place them in shady areas, they will become totally green, which I'm not a fan of. So I'm adding my sand, and I wanted this bowl to have a look of sand dunes color. So you can add topsoil of different colors like black, white, very light shade of brown, and I find this shade to be like very pleasing and giving an impression of desert, and it complements so well with succulents. I love succulents that do not have very pricky thorns because some cactus, yeah, I had incident with some cactuses, and I love such succulents, and I think it looks very nice and decent. I'm doing this at night time, and I find it very soothing, and it's my happy time. I am doing in my room area, and this is how it turns out. I want its color to show, so I'm not putting too much of sand, or I'm not like pressing it underneath too much, because Gymnocalycium variegation looks super nice. And this is how the bowl turned out.